Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Nugraha. I'm a doctoral student in forest economic Faculty of Forestry in here. Now I would like to present about agroforestry for recovering forest and improving disaster resilience in Indonesia. So, in Indonesia, we have so many potential disasters. First is volcano. Indonesia located in Ring of Fire. Ring of Fire is a bunch of active volcanoes that go through Indonesia. So we can see that in Indonesia in here, there are so many active volcanoes. There are around 127 active volcanoes, and it might uh, give eruptions or earthquake. Also, Indonesia is located in four tectonic plates. So we can see that there is four tectonic plates in here, and if the tectonic plates it's go each other, it will bring earthquake. And because Indonesia is archipelago countries that consists of thousands of islands, and we have so many waters, if there is a big earthquake, there will be occur uh, tsunami, the big wave. As we know, in 2014, in 2004, in Indonesia, there is a very huge tsunami in Aceh, and this is and in here we can see that the red spot it's the occurrence of earthquake in Indonesia. It's so many, but in Borneo Island, it's less because it's not go through with the ring of fire of the volcano. So this is maybe also the reason why Indonesia will move the capital city from Jakarta to Borneo Island, Kalimantan. So we will move our capital city soon. And furthermore, Indonesia is also located in the Ecuador. So we have very massive sun shine, so the temperature is very high, and we also very impacted by the El Nino. As you can see, the red and the brown it's very high temperature, and in the dry seasons we only have two seasons, dry seasons and rain seasons. In dry seasons, due to also the climate change and the global warming, we will have very many drought, and also it could appear the forest fire. And in the rainy seasons, it will occur the floods. As you can see in here, Indonesia in 2023 have a huge forest fire due to the El Nino. 1.16 million hectares get forest fire, and it's more higher in 2022. This is the statistical data of forest fire in Indonesia. You can see in 2015 it's very huge fire, and it's decreasing. 2019 it's increasing again, and 2023 it's increased again. It's might due to the El Nino seasons. So we have very many dry season, and the forest fire it's very high. As you can see in here is the forest ranger, the firefighter that try to minimize the fire in the forest. So due to the all disasters in Indonesia and some human activities, the statistical data mentioned that there are 24.7 million hectares of forest that degraded because of this disasters and other human activities. And this is a very big, uh, big area, and some of them, because there is no forest plantation, some of the area also, the local people going there and change the land use into the crops plantations. And to manage these 24 million hectares degraded forest, it's very hard and expensive, especially Indonesia have very many topography, so it will cost very expensive. That's why we need multi-stakeholder involvement, university, academicians, private company, government, and the local people to restore the degraded forest. So, in my bachelor and master university in Indonesia, IPB University, we collaborate with Astra Company. As you know, it's the producer of Toyota cars. We are trying to planting 1,000 hectares of forest in Java Island, Indonesia, in West Java. The program will take 20 years from 2022. Why Astra Company want to help? Because as we know that now the climate change is worsening, and based on the Paris Agreement, Indonesia is committed to reduce its emissions 29%. And because of that, Indonesia is obligate some companies in Indonesia, such as Astra Company, that produce very high carbon emissions, to help to reduce their emissions. And that's why Astra Company collaborate with IPB University, try to planting trees to reduce their carbon emissions, or it called the carbon offset. And the agroforestry program in here, we use high economic commodities, which are durian, avocado, and coffee. Why we use this kind of trees? Because when we use fruit that have high economic value, the local people will not cut the trees. They will keep the trees safe, and they will harvest the fruit. So the forest will sustainable. This research aims to conduct a forest restoration program with multi-stakeholder, IPB University as the academician university, Astra Company as the funding, and the Ministry of Forestry can provide good regulations to support this program. And also, we involve the farmers to plan the area of the agroforestry. These programs are expected to improve the community welfare, also to make the forest more sustainable. And this 1,000 hectare hope can be a pilot project to afforesting 24 million hectares of forest cover in Indonesia. And after 3 years, we will harvest the fruit, and we expected to get around $40,000 per hectare per year income. We also collaborate with some off-taker, such as Indomaret, to sell the fruit, and we also collaborate with some countries such as Netherlands, Dubai, and so on, to sell the coffee. And furthermore, we also try to know the data carbon sequestrations in our forest project. And after that, we register it to the Indonesian carbon stock market. So this program, it's multi-stakeholder involvement, and it hope that it would improve the community welfare. Also, it could make the forest more sustainable. If we can manage it, not only the local people will try to keep the forest safe, but also the company, because the company can sell the carbon stocks, and they might provide better facilitate for like firefighter in the near the forest. So if there is a fire occur, they will immediately turn it off, because they will try to keep the carbon stock in the carbon market. So the conclusions: there are 24 million hectares degraded forests caused by natural disaster and human activities. The multi-stakeholder involvement program can also solve afforestation and improve community welfare. This program is expected to give around 40,000 US dollar per hectare per year, and it will restore the degraded forest. Last, I mentioned this: when the last tree is cut down, the last fish eaten, and the last shrimp poisoned, you will realize that you cannot eat money. Thank you very much.